was the mission and what NASA has learned since then. They've learned a lot. He stepped out on the moon around this same time, about 50 years ago. Rob, were you there for that? No.
I was not there, but it was exactly at this time 50 years ago, 11:47 Central Time, back in 1972, so exactly at this time. And that is the command module that he was in. This was, of course, orbiting the moon 50 years ago, but that is Casper, the command module from Apollo 16. It is permanently held in the U.S. Space and Rocket Center at the Davidson Center. It's really neat to see it. And of course, this is what they splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. So here's a look at the timeline. They landed on the moon yesterday. That was the 50th anniversary, but they actually stepped foot on the moon at this time 50 years ago. Charlie Duke and John Young. Charlie Duke, the 10th person to walk on the moon. Just really neat to have them in town for the 50th anniversary for that. And then, yeah, that command module right there splashed down in the Pacific Ocean a few days later, April 27th, 1972. There you go. That's the U.S. Space and Rocket Center right there. They took a Saturn V to get to the moon. And we are seeing just some passing clouds right now in the Rocket City in Huntsville. 69 degrees, winds out of the south at 11 miles per hour. Again, just some passing clouds, but those clouds are starting to thin a little bit, and we are expecting plenty of sunshine to get up to around 80 here this afternoon. A few spots may fall short, and then we'll start to see those temperatures dropping off to the upper 60s by 9 o'clock this evening. Again, if you're inside this little stripe of clouds right now, it's cloudy, but if you head further off to the west-northwest, you're tracking sunny skies. That's what we're seeing right now in the shoals, and some clear skies off to the south and southeast. And we are dry on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, and you'll notice that this batch of clouds is starting to break apart and drop to the south. So we'll have plenty of sunshine coming up for everyone. Forecast wind gusts for today. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon. These are southeasterly winds, right around 10 to 15 miles per hour, bringing in that warmer air to get us up to around 80 this afternoon. And then for your Friday, we're tracking sunny skies and a bit of a southeast wind to around 15 miles per hour. But that comes with, again, full sunshine from sunrise to sunset, highs in the low to mid 80s to wrap up the work week. I'll look at future radar 4 o'clock here this afternoon. You'll notice those clouds starting to break apart, and we are back to clear skies here late tonight into the overnight hours. And again, plenty of sunshine to go all the way through your Friday. Just a beautiful Friday coming up from North Alabama. A little on the warm side. I wouldn't dare call it hot just yet, but we will be much warmer heading into your Saturday and Sunday. Primary threats, though, by Monday. That's when our next cold front moves in. Thankfully, we're tracking just a low risk for plain old thunderstorms. Not strong to severe thunderstorms, just plain old thunderstorms, and we're just not expecting severe weather. But again, that is our next chance for widespread rain and storms. It's 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. We'll wrap up the weekend with mostly dry conditions. And then by Monday morning, that main cold front, it's off to the northwest. You get into the yellows on the map. That's likely some heavy rain from some thunderstorms, but it just kind of falls apart as it moves into North Alabama, and it'll continue to weaken. So again, at this point, we're not too concerned about severe weather. It's Thursday. A lot can change between now and Monday. Just check it with the forecast through the next few days. And then once we get past Monday night into early Tuesday morning, we'll start to dry things out, which will be great for the Toyota Field Trash Pandas. I should say the Trash Pandas at Toyota Field as they start that new home series next week. So again, great conditions to kick off at 6:35 next week.